Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to charge extra fee when users select Stripe payment gateway in WooCommerce checkout page using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. So when users select Stripe payment gateway, then we are going to charge extra fee. Scroll down in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so open it. Now go to WooCommerce setting and then you see payments, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see Stripe payment gateway, so click on it and we are going to find out Stripe payment gateway ID, and then in URL you see section is equal to Stripe, so this is payment gateway ID. Now back to code. Now you see create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see create additional fixed fee for a Stripe payment gateway, and then you see Stripe payment gateway ID, and then you see text additional fixed Stripe fee 10. So this is fixed amount, so you can add 20, 15 to 5 according to your requirement. So we are going to charge fixed amount. Scroll down, now you see this code for refresh the checkout on payment method change, and scroll down you see display fee amount next to payment method title. Now you see 10, and then you see class custom Stripe fee. Now go to additional CSS section, and now you see we use custom class CSS, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see class custom Stripe fee. Now back to edit code, and now in code you see Stripe here also. This is payment gateway ID of Stripe. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snipper. Now snipper created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see subtotal 100, total 100, so click on proceed to checkout. Now we are in checkout page and scroll down, click on continue, again click on continue, and then you see product subtotal 100. Now you see direct bank transfer selected. Now select cash on delivery or credit card. Now you see $10 we are going to charge. Now select Stripe. Now scroll up, you see subtotal 100, and then you see additional fixed Stripe fee $10 and total is 110. So we are going to charge fixed amount 10 on whole cart when user select Stripe payment gateway, and you will find CSS and code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.